Today I will show you how to move the bust and the waist darts to the shoulder, and then we will have to mark our point, shoulder point, where we want them to be, and then we will just trace around toward the center front. So we'll trace around, we'll trace around to the waist dart here. And we will stop, and then we'll have to close it, close the waist darts, and then mark our point here, and then just go trace around to the bust dart. After that, we'll mark the darts here, and then we just close the bust, mark it again, and we just trace around the shoulder here and our notch to the until the bust dart. So after that, we will need to do the bust circle. And then just mark the bust point here. And then we will need to measure the middle of here's the space between the two darts, and we'll need to measure it. And then we'll measure also the darts, the middle of each one of them. So we will have to make a line here in the middle, so because we need these darts to be parallel. So we will measure it, till here, and then you just make it very close to the bust point. So almost right here. And then also the other dart, the same thing. And just right here. The middle one, the middle of the darts. After that, we just cross out the middle line, make our notch here, and the green line. So because it's gonna be on the folds, I'm gonna do 3 dots, and then just right center front. Yes, and that's it. For the other side, we will need to move the 2 darts to the waist. So we'll get this shape. So first we will mark our dart point here. So between them is like 1 inch. So we'll start tracing from this dart to the waist and stop here. After that, we will close it and then mark it here. So mark it here and then just trace around. Trace around to the shoulder. Oops. To the shoulder here. Just the notch to here. After that, we will mark our next point here. Close it. Mark it here again. And then just trace from the marking to the bust point, to the bust dart, and close both of them. So that we will do the circle, and then just, because it's parallel also, we need to mark the middle of the space between the two darts, also between the darts. Because it's parallel, we need to do the line here, the middle line. There's this point. So after that, we will measure very close to the bust point, but here's my bust point, very close to it, just by okay. Here's our first dart, and the second dart. We have to make sure that both of them same distance from the bust point. So, and then we just cross this line. So after that, we will need to have our line here. It's gonna be on the folds. 3 dots and now I have my 2 sides bodice front. That looks like this, and now I just have to fold them. So for this one, we'll fold it toward the center front. So we fold it right here. Just and the other So just cut from here to there. You don't worry about this space. Just cut it. So both of them right now facing toward the center front. Just cut it. So now I have my bodice ready. So for the other one, just also fold it toward the center front. Just the other one too. So we have it here facing toward the center front. And see how this one goes past the darts. It's okay, and you just cut it. So here we go.